Most people don't make any money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So today, I wanted to bring you a different type of video. I wanted to talk to you about how to make money with affiliate marketing, the real truth about making money with affiliate marketing, and why most people don't make any money. In fact, 98% of people who try to make money in this industry end up not making any money at all. And that's okay, because the thing is, the ones that actually do make the money are usually the ones that are consistent, and they have spent years learning the techniques and the things that you need to learn in order to be successful. When I got started online, I didn't get any help from anyone. In fact, what I did mostly is I looked on YouTube and I found people who are teaching how to make money online, who are teaching affiliate marketing, and they had this claims of, make $1,000 in 5 minutes and learn how to make $10,000 a week. Now, don't get me wrong, there are people who actually make very large amounts of money on a weekly, on a monthly, and yearly basis. There's people who make millions of dollars with affiliate marketing online. But the thing that you don't see is the amount of work and effort and years of struggle in order to get to that point. In fact, I've been doing this for a couple of years, and my first year that I tried to make money with affiliate marketing, I've made zero money. I made no money at all. Second year, I made a little bit of money. By the third year, I was making just enough to cover some of my tools, expenses, and things that I have related to my business. But the thing is, I was mainly investing a lot into learning. I was buying courses, I was listening to people who had success with affiliate marketing, but I also got distracted a lot by different things. And I see that all the time right now. People get distracted very easily. And the thing is, it's very easy to jump into drop shipping or Shopify or Amazon FBA, or basically trying to create your own product. But the thing is, those things are fine. But if you try to do multiple things at the same time, you're not going to make money with any of them. This is a lesson that cost me a lot of time and money to learn. So I'm hoping that by you watching this video, I can save you some time, I can save you some money, and you can just stick to one thing that you want to learn how to do, and you stick to that thing for at least 6 to 12 months. Because if you master one skill, that skill is going to be enough to take you to that next level. But if you try to do multiple things at the same time, if you try to do Shopify and Amazon, and you try to do affiliate marketing, and you try to do 100 things at the same time, try to make money in all of them, you will end up not making money at all. So the truth is, affiliate marketing works, but it doesn't work for everyone. You have to be willing to make the sacrifices. You have to be willing to spend money out of your pocket to learn the things that you need to learn, and listen to other people who have success with affiliate marketing. No one said it's going to be easier. In fact, if it was easy, a lot of people would be making millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. The number one advice that I can give you is try to build yourself an audience. This is what really helped me in the beginning, because if you have an audience of people who are listening to your message, then most likely you can replicate that audience multiple times, multiple niches, and you can use that audience to monetize different ways. Whether you're using Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever platform you decide to jump into, you need to stick to that platform for at least 6 months and say, okay, I'm going to stick to this, and I'm going to grow my brand, I'm going to grow my niche, my audience, whatever it is that you need to do. And I'm going to stick to this for 6 months straight, non-stop. And you learn every single little thing that you need to learn about that audience. For me, it was mainly Facebook in the beginning. I didn't think about creating a YouTube channel. I had multiple YouTube channels in the past where I actually uploaded different videos of different things that I was promoting, and they were making me a little bit of money. Some months were better than others, but the thing is, once I actually decided to just stop promoting every single little thing that popped in my radar, what I did is I just said, okay, I'm going to just build an audience. I'm going to stick to one thing. I'm going to learn this. I'm going to master this to the point where I can leverage this to making thousands of dollars per month. And that's exactly what I did. I jumped into Facebook marketing. I learned Facebook ads. I learned how to build Facebook pages. I learned how to create content. I learned how to utilize video to grow an audience. Even though they took me, 6 months, a year to really master those skills, right now they're actually paying off. Right now they're providing me with income on a monthly basis, whether I actually work on them or not. I have automated most of my business where I have other people and freelancers and people who work for me and actually help me build those audiences. They're making money, I'm making money, and everyone's happy. But in order to get to that level of success, to get to that point, you need to be willing to do the work yourself in the beginning. No one's going to help you. No one's going to offer you, $50,000 to just start your business. You do need to do it, whatever it is you need to do, whether it's to just wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning to go through a course, whether it's to just watch as many videos as you can. But the thing is, if you don't do these things, you can't expect results in 30 days. You can't actually expect to make $10,000 in the next 30 days with whatever opportunity pops in your face. Affiliate marketing is a skill that you learn over time. Affiliate marketing is something that you learn by making mistakes. There is a learning curve. There's no way to skip that learning curve. For some people, it takes a lot more time to go through that learning process. And for some people, it takes them 6 months. For me, it took me a couple of years. Why? Because I was distracted a lot by different things and I try to do a lot of things at the same time. For other people who start with perhaps the first thing that they did was Shopify, well, they maybe found success in Shopify in the first 6 months. But be sure that if you're listening to someone, whether that's me or anyone else on YouTube who is teaching you how to do something that you really enjoy what you're learning. This is a business, but it's a business that you need to enjoy in order to be successful at it. Because the thing is, if you don't enjoy the learning process, the process of building your business, the process of learning the skills and techniques that you need to learn in order to get to that level of income that you want to get to, then most likely, if you're just doing it for the money, you will quit. Perhaps in the first 6 months, in the first year, or perhaps in the first month. There's a lot of excuses that you can tell yourself. You can tell yourself, I don't have any money, I don't have any resources, I don't have the time, I'm pretty young, no one listens to me, no one wants to help me. Whatever excuses you want to tell yourself, those are just excuses. The thing is, if you really want to do it, you will find a way. I'll give you a quick example. I have spent the last 2.5 years learning how to do Facebook marketing. I have spent the time of building multiple Facebook pages with 500,000 likes and hundreds of thousands of likes. I have spent a lot of time learning how to do Facebook ads, how to advertise on Facebook, how to help clients. I work with local clients to need help with their marketing campaigns on social media. I also provide my services as a coach and I provide my services as a marketing specialist on Facebook and other platforms. That took me a lot of time, a lot of trial and error. It took me time to learn exactly what I needed to do to bring results, not just to myself, but to a client that was paying me $1,000 a month or $2,000 per month to help them get more customers. It takes time to make money with anything online. It's not going to be an overnight success. Now I'm trying to build my YouTube channel. As of this video, I have less than 1,000 subscribers. I'm close to hitting the 1,000 subscriber mark, but I'll keep going no matter what. It doesn't matter if it takes me 6 months to get to 1,000 subscribers, because my goal with this channel is to provide as much value as I can, to grow my brand, to help other people, to teach people who perhaps are in need of finding information on Facebook marketing. They want to know how to grow a YouTube channel. Perhaps they want to know how to grow a Facebook page. And I can provide that valuable information because I didn't have that when I first got started online. The truth about affiliate marketing is that even though there's a lot of people who make it seem very easily, and you'll see thumbnails of YouTube videos that claim that you can make $100 a day by just clicking a mouse, those are just designed to get you to engage with the content. Those are not designed to help you make money. The truth is, the people who actually go to those videos basically just chasing easy money, and there's no easy money whatsoever unless you have a brand, or unless you have an email list, unless you have a big audience that you put a video and 100,000 people watch your video. That's perhaps when you get to that level, that's easy money. But as of now, if you're starting from scratch, if you don't have any following, if you don't have money, if you don't have resources, the best advice that I can give you is learn a skill, learn how to advertise, learn exactly how to get traffic to any offer, learn how to promote something. Find the best affiliate program that you can find and see if you can use perhaps YouTube to build your brand, to create videos around that affiliate program, or start your own blog. That's something that I did a couple years ago. Start your own blog, talk about the things that you want to talk about. Or if you just want to start a niche blog, you can do that as well. You can start a niche blog, talk about a different topic, a specific topic that you can monetize later with affiliate products and AdSense and Facebook instant articles and things like that. But start with something, and then after you start with that, stick to it for at least 6 months. That's how you're going to learn how to master one skill. Once you have mastered that skill, if you want to expand into different areas, you can. But now you have one skill that you have learned, and you can take that anywhere, and no matter where you are, you can implement that skill to make money. So I really hope that this video was helpful to you. I know it's completely different to what I usually upload, which is I show case studies and tutorials and things like that. I thought it was really important to get this video out there because I have received a lot of comments from people who are thinking that starting an online business and being successful with affiliate marketing is just something that you can do in 15 days, and they're just lying to themselves. They're thinking that it's going to be easy money, and in 90 days I'm just going to be sitting on a beach making $1,000 per day. It doesn't work like that, guys. I don't even make $1,000 per day. I'm hoping that perhaps in the future I can, but the thing is, affiliate marketing takes time. You got to put effort, you got to put your time, you got to invest some money in the beginning, and you have to invest into the biggest thing that's going to help you make a lot of money, and that is your knowledge. The more knowledge you have, the more likely you are to make more money. So with that said, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I have a lot more content coming soon, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video.